Welcome to Lesson 9, Translating Words to Math Practice Set. This is a follow-up to our lesson yesterday on lesson number 8, where we learned how to translate words to math. Some of the words and phrases meant operations, such as adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, and some of the words referred to relationships, for instance, an equation or inequality. So today, we're going to translate the following statements into algebraic expressions or equations. Circle each word or phrase that has mathematical meaning. Let x represent a number, if you see the phrase a number, if a variable is not given. You'll notice that it says there are expressions and equations. So for the equations, once again, you're looking for the word is equal to, or just equals. For an expression, you're not going to see that relationship. So I'd like you to try 1 through 8 independently. But before you do, would you please turn to page 18. These are challenge problems, and you're going to notice it says the following statements require 2 operations. And again, you're going to let x represent a number if a variable is not given. So I want to just try one of these with you, and then I'm going to have you try the other 3 on your own. So let's look at number 10. We're going to go ahead and circle the words 10, more than, that has mathematical meaning, the product, that has mathematical meaning, of 8 and p. So like we did yesterday, we're going to circle words and phrases that have mathematical meaning. So let's recall that this word more than is kind of special. If it says is in front of it, it means that we're using an inequality sign. If it says more than, then we're using it as a addition, to mean addition. However, because it says than, if you recall, we discussed the than switch. So whatever comes before it is going to move to the end, and whatever comes after it is going to move to the front. So if I write this in the order that they gave it to me, I have 10 more than. The product, product means we're multiplying, but we insert that multiplication where we see the word and I see it between 8 and p. So I'm going to write that the high school way as 8 times p, so I'm side by side. So now that we've discussed all of those, the order, again, needs to switch because of than, so I'm going to write 8p, that's what was at the end, plus 10. And if we think about it logically, 10 more than this, that's the way that we're writing it. We're adding 10 to this. So I'd like you to try 9, 10, and 11 on your own. Thanks for listening, and have a good day.